How to open multiple savings account on Capital One 360. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of Capital One 360, and over here you will be able to find the option of checking and savings at the top. Just simply select this particular option, and after that open up the savings section, and here you can find the option of open account. Just simply click on it. Now it will ask you whether you already have Capital One account or not. Just simply select it accordingly. If you already have one savings account with them, then just simply select this option of yes, otherwise select no. And this way you would be able to create multiple savings account for yourself on Capital One and make different financial goals and achieve them. So here you can just simply click on this option of continue, or just simply type the promo code if you have it. After clicking on continue, you would be asked to provide your first name and last name. Make sure that you provide your legal name, and this way click on continue. After that, you need to provide some more information about you, and this way after providing the information and doing the KYC, you would be able to open up the savings account on Capital One 360, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.